about to be Christmas month. I have nothing, and it's a blank over here. Oh, wait, what's this? Christmas. An ornament? Wait a minute. Yeah, that's right. In this video here, I'm gonna be decorating my collection here. I have a whole blank right here, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate with these. Yeah, it's a tiny tree. And I also created or made some of the ornaments that I'm planning to do. Okay, some of them just fall. Okay, well, yeah. Here's what I did. I took those cheap Rubik's cubes and just hot glued the ropes on them. So now they're basically an ornament. I have 12 in total. So yeah, let's get to decorating. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be decorating this corner over here for these Christmas decorations. So yeah, let's move you guys over there. Alright guys, first things first, we have an empty corner here, so I'm going to move this right on over. And first things first, we're going to need this. This is the bottom part for the Christmas tree, which is here. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, we got the legs here, and yeah, let's just go ahead and flip up the tree, I guess. Alright guys, we have the Christmas tree ready. Let's go ahead and decorate it. guys, the Christmas tree for the decoration about this Rubik's Cube collection here. This is completed, looks great, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video, and Merry Christmas. And I hope you guys have a great time watching this. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, and make sure you guys turn on the notifications. Goodbye.